Well, this morning, wicked weather is impacting some people's travel plans. This is a live look at the Ford Airport's flight tracker. You can see a few flights are either delayed or canceled right now, all because of a massive winter storm that has tens of millions under winter weather alerts today. Forecasters say the storm is moving out of the central U.S. today. It's clobbering much of the Ohio River Valley on its way over to the East Coast. NOAA's Weather Prediction Center says some areas could end up with their heaviest snowfalls in more than a decade. Of course, Terry, we've been talking about this monster storm. We can see it there behind you on the radar, but it's kind of nice that it's, for one time, not Michigan that we're talking about being impacted by this.
I know you almost feel guilty because you don't want to wish it on somebody else, but I was honestly driving to work this morning thinking how nice it is that we are not driving through this significant snow and ice. It's not just all snow, and that makes it even that much more of a hazardous situation. But we've got winter storm warnings posted in the pink color from Illinois to Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia, into Virginia. And where you see the pinks here on the radar scan, we've colorized the radar so we get all the different colors. Looks like a kaleidoscope of precipitation. And this is a good indication that there's some significant freezing rain going on. The blues, the whites, that is where we have all snow. And you can certainly see that's impacting the major metro areas in the Northeast, from New York to Philadelphia down into the nation's capital. So not a big surprise that we do have some of those flight delays and cancellations. Here's the low pressure center. It's going to continue to track due easterly, and once it clears out of the way completely, that will then open the door for our next system to come in. It's a Clipper system that's going to come, so not a significant amount of snow. Could be just enough in some places to produce some light, slippery travel conditions as we head into late Tuesday and into Wednesday. A look off to the west, out over Wyoming. This is the viewpoint from high atop University of Michigan Health West. We take you to Ravenna as well. As you can see, the middle school, we've got some snow on the ground, and the snow we've got, we're going to keep, and we'll see intervals of snow over the next several days. Again, a look at those current temperatures, readings in the upper teens to low 20s. Yesterday, we made it only to 22 degrees for a high, 10 degrees colder than our average high of 32 degrees. And so far this month of January, we've had 4 out of the 5 days with below average temperatures. And this trend is going to continue for at least the next couple of weeks. So cold and quiet, a little on the breezy side today, not as much wind yesterday. Today will be breezier, and so it's going to feel even chillier outside. Major winter storm system, again, that system that we just took a look at on the radar scan, that stays to our south, and the next snow developing will be late Tuesday night into the day Wednesday. As you can see here on the future track, as this system clears out, that does open the door for that northeasterly wind to take over. Optimistically, we may see some sunshine today. If we don't see much sunshine today, we're likely not going to see much over the next couple of days because we've got that next little Clipper system coming on through. So once that Clipper system clears out, we will dry out, and then we could see some sunshine on Thursday. And if we don't really see much in the way of sunshine on Thursday, we've got another system coming in with more snow chances for Friday and Saturday. And I think if we see a widespread heavier snow, it will likely come with Sunday's storm system. Sunday into Monday, that's a time frame to really pay careful attention to. The 8 to 14 day temperature outlook takes us to January 19th, so into the third week of January. By then, warmer than average temps will start to develop across the northern United States, from the UP back into Wisconsin, Minnesota, and the eastern Dakotas. A lot of cold air on the map, though, across the western United States, down south, and boy, the southeast, from the mid-Atlantic states to the Carolinas and Florida. It is going to be a mighty cold stretch of weather heading into the middle of January, with temperatures much colder than average.